We've been looking at the Actions panel with the Script Assist button turned on. With it turned off, we move into what FlashMX used to call Expert Mode. This mode assumes that we know a little bit more about ActionScript, so it gives us some more powerful control. By the way, this is my favorite way of working. If I don't quite know how to use a particular action, I can always jump back into Script Assist if I need to, or I can just pull up the Help panel for that particular action. Now, the first button here that's different is a Check Syntax button. Flash will most definitely tell you if there's something wrong with your scripts when you export, but it's handy to have the button here to quickly run through your script and check while you're working. Next up, Auto Format will again run through your script, but this time it'll fix up your code so that it's easy to read and find errors. You might remember from our earlier lesson on Preferences, Edit and Preferences, that Flash can help us format our code in certain ways. Here's where we apply it. Next up is Show Code Hint. If you're partway through typing an action and can't remember quite how to spell the rest of it, hit this button and Flash will suggest the most likely solution. And finally, we have debugging options. We can set breakpoints in our scripts if we're having problems with them. Scripts can run so fast that sometimes it's hard to tell where a script is failing. So, we can set breakpoints which stop the execution of the script until we tell it to run again. So by doing this, we can force the script to play one step at a time until we get to the part of it that's causing the problem. And the last thing, right down at the bottom, we have a pinning area. This is a bit like a bookmarks bar. In more complex projects, you might have dozens of items with actions attached to them. Jumping between them can be a hassle, so if you like, you can bookmark or pin the current script. This places a tab down here, and switching between scripts is then a simple matter of clicking on a tab. Let's try this. I'll pin this script, and then I'll go to a different one and pin that. The current script that you're looking at is displayed in the first tab, and we switch between them using the tabs here. And that's it for the basic functions of the Actions panel. Let's move on to the next lesson.